In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a GoToMeeting session. Whether you're hosting a meeting or participating in one, capturing the discussion can be incredibly useful for reviewing later, sharing with those who couldn't attend, or even for record-keeping in professional settings. Let's dive right into the process, which is straightforward once you know where to look. First things first, you'll want to start your GoToMeeting session just like you normally would. This could be by initiating a new meeting or joining an already scheduled one. Once you're in and the meeting has kicked off, the next step is crucial: locating the record button. Look up to the toolbar sitting on top of your screen. In many cases, the button will be clearly visible. However, if you're juggling between various tasks and somehow can't spot it, don't worry. Simply find the More button, which is represented by 3 little dots. Give that a click, and you'll discover the Start Recording option nestled within the menu. With the recording function now in plain sight, go ahead and click the Start Recording button. At this point, you'll notice a small recording indicator popping up at the top of your screen. This is a handy little icon that's confirming the recording is in progress. To ensure everyone in the session is aware, a message will also be sent out to all participants, providing them with a heads up that the meeting is being recorded. As your meeting progresses, you'll have a robust record capturing everything that unfolds, from discussions to decisions. But eventually, there will come a time when you're ready to stop the recording. Whether it is because the meeting is winding down or you've gathered all the content you need, all you'll need to do is look up to that toolbar again and hit the Stop Recording button. The great thing about GoToMeeting is that the recording will automatically save itself, sparing you from extra steps. Once the meeting concludes, GoToMeeting makes accessing your recording a breeze. You should receive an email containing a convenient link to the recorded session. This is perfect for those in a hurry or who need to reference the recording immediately. However, if you prefer, you can also access the recording directly from your GoToMeeting account. Simply head over to the Recordings section. Here, you have the flexibility to download, share, or manage these files as you see fit. And there you have it. Recording a GoToMeeting session is as easy as that. Now you're equipped with a solid way to document your meetings efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.